The instant mix, let's have a jar like this, and I am taking 1 cup of rolled oats, any kind of oats you can use, followed by half cup of suji. This is roasted suji. I usually keep suji roasted or rava. Half cup of any kind of rava, and salt to taste, white or black, any kind of salt you want to use, followed by baking soda, not baking powder, it is baking soda, 2-3 pinches of this. Now lid up and give it a mix. So your instant mix is ready to use. I'll show you. So this is ready to use. You can make idlis, chilas, appam, dosa, anything from this mix. Okay, so I will tell you how to make a batter. So take this instant mix, everything is added in this mixture. So all you need to add, just right now I am using 5 to 6 spoons, followed by curd. So again 5 to 6 spoon curd. Curd will give a good texture to your chila or everything. Try to add only curd instead of water. Use curd only. So if you can see, the consistency would be like this, a smooth paste. Okay, do not need to add any kind of water. Along with it, I am using freshly chopped tomato, onion and green chilies, or these onions. So let's start with the recipe. So switch on the gas, brush it with little oil, keeping it aside. Now pour in some batter. Around 3 spoon I am putting. 2 chilas for my breakfast. So this is a recipe of plain oats chila, and you can cover it for good puffy chila. So after 1 minute it is almost cooked from one side. So flip it carefully. Our tasty oats utpam is ready to eat. Now for vegetable oats chila, and brush it with oil. 3 spoon of batter. Carefully spread it. Now sprinkle some green chilies along with onion and tomato. Cover it for 1 minute. It will be ready. So our utpam is again ready. It can be eaten with sambar or fresh chutney, or you can flip it like this. So this vegetable utpam is my favorite. I usually chop the vegetables and eat it like this. This tastes amazing. So this is ready. Our oats vegetable utpam is ready to eat. Now you can make appams using same batter. Again brush it with little oil. Okay, I'll show you. This will be like crispy from inside out. Now with the same batter I am going to make idlis. So brush the idli pan with oil. Okay, so I will be showing two type of idli. One is plain idli. So just pour in the batter like this. 1 spoon is enough. And for the other one, so my batter is also finished. So now drizzle it with freshly chopped onion and tomato. So this will again taste amazing. So two are the plain steamed idlis and other two are the tomato onion idlis. And yes, you can eat safola masala oats as well. I eat them a lot as well. So you can eat these during this challenge as well.